affiliated marketing. Start marketing other people's businesses and leave the links in the description. And I'm back with another banger, and today in this episode I will be telling y'all how to make money on YouTube. Now before we get started, please like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into this banger. Okay, so you want to start posting content, get 1,000 subscribers, have 4,000 watch hours, create a Google AdSense account, allow YouTube to enable ads onto your videos. Start doing affiliated marketing. Start marketing other people's businesses and leave the links in the description. Do one sponsored video a month. YouTube is a search engine, so you want to optimize SEO traffic. SEO means search engine optimization. You could start creating review content and tutorials. You could use YouTube Shorts, 15-second videos. Monetize your YouTube Shorts videos. Monetize all of your videos, and that's how you can make money on YouTube, period. Alright y'all, if y'all want to see more videos like this, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get this money.